Hey, you know what the worst part about having a Ring doorbell is? Having to change the batteries all the time. Listen, what if I told you there was a better way to do it than to have this thing hardwired? I'm going to show you guys how you can install a solar powered charger that charges your battery at all times. The best part about it is that it's super easy and you guys definitely can do it yourself. Stay with me in this video. I'll show you how to do it. Come on. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. And for all my long-time subscribers, welcome back. All right, today I got a cool video for you. You've seen me do a video on the Ring doorbell and how to run constant power to it if you don't have an existing doorbell before and you wanted to get power to it. A lot of people were intimidated by having to drill holes in their wall and running power and running cables to their outlet and doing all that work with the transformers. No big deal. It is an easy DIY. If you haven't seen it and you want to see it, check out the link somewhere around here. But I got an even easier video for you today. Yeah, you heard that right. Easy. As I always tell people, the worst part about having a Ring doorbell, especially the older style ones, is that it uses a battery. I mean, that's awesome that, you can have a battery to charge your doorbell, or you can have a battery that powers your doorbell. But what happens when that battery runs low and you're not at home or you don't have a way to charge it? Obviously, it would be better if it was hardwired. So there's a solution to that. You can install a solar powered charger. There are several different ones out there on Amazon. Ring makes one, but that's the way you want to do it. It's non-invasive, it's easy to do, and you definitely can do it yourself. The great part about it is, as long as you have sunlight, it will constantly keep charging your battery and keep your battery at a level where your Ring doorbell will always be powered. One of the cool things about having this solar powered charger for your Ring doorbell is that it's super easy to install. The mounting hardware that comes with it, it's literally 4 screws, and then your old Ring doorbell mounts to it. I'm going to show you the steps. As usual, I'm going to keep it slow, keep it easy, so you guys can follow along and do this yourself. It's an affordable upgrade for you, and it's definitely something I think you should tackle. As usual, I'll leave links in the description and timestamps so that you guys can follow along and you guys know exactly where to pick up all the tools that I use in this video. Now that the formalities are out the way, let's go ahead and install this solar powered charger for your Ring doorbell. The first thing you want to do is you want to remove the batteries from your Ring doorbell. If you have a security screw, you need to remove it from below. So you want to take out your battery from your Ring doorbell. And the next thing we want to do is remove the screws that hold our Ring doorbell to our wall. There should be 4 screws located here. Just go ahead and remove the screws. Now remember, these screws are very small, so you want to take your time and definitely don't lose them. Once you have your Ring doorbell, you can go ahead and remove the screws that were connected to the back. Mine has constant power, but I'm assuming yours doesn't, so you're going to skip this step and just go to removing the bracket off the wall. Alright, once you have your Ring doorbell removed from the wall, all you need to do is remove the screws that are holding the bracket to the wall itself. Once you have the screws removed, you can remove this from the wall. Provided in the box is this template that you just basically want to level, make sure it's level, and it has the 4 holes for where the mounting holes go. So all you need to do is drill this. If you got a concrete wall, all you need to do is pre-drill these holes and put your concrete anchors in there. Once you're done, you can remove your template and install your concrete anchors in, just like that. Now you're ready to mount the base. All you need to do is feed your screws through, line it up with one of your anchors, drive them in. Once this thing is mounted, you can see here there are different holes for different models of Ring doorbells that you have. So what you want to do is take your Ring doorbell and you want to connect the prongs here to the back of your Ring doorbell like this. Tighten down the screws, and then the next thing you're going to do is you want to go ahead and line it up with whichever hole corresponds to the version of Ring doorbell that you have. All you want to do is line it up and install your screws. Once you're done, you just want to go ahead and install your battery and put your cover plate back on. If you have a security screw, you can go ahead and put it in. Now, a lot of you may ask, but you don't need this bracket because this bracket basically had the holes. but the solar charger has those holes already pre-drilled. So save this just in case this goes bad, and you can use this to reinstall your Ring doorbell at a later date if you ever have to. All right guys, welcome back. That was an easy install. Check this thing out. This is the solar charger for your Ring doorbell. This thing looks awesome actually. You can actually adjust it depending on where the light comes for on your porch or your patio, but whatever it is. Now this thing claims that as long as it gets 2 hours a day of direct sunlight, it should be able to keep your battery charged. So if you got a good porch and you got light coming onto your porch, this thing may be better for you than trying to run wires like I did. If you want to learn how to hardwire it though, check out my video. If you haven't already seen it, links are in the description, or pop-ups are somewhere on the screen, or maybe earlier in the video. One of the things I thought when I first got this thing was that it was only a solar panel on the top, but when you actually look at it closely, you actually have solar panels on the right and on the left, which, you know, I guess they're trying to maximize the amount of sunlight that this thing can receive. So yeah, pretty sturdy, secure to the wall, only took about 20 minutes. Now guys, listen, this is an awesome, easy upgrade. Definitely can do it by yourself. It probably will only take you 20 minutes of your time, and it will save you so much time from having to recharge your batteries over and over and over again, or if you know, or forgetting to recharge your batteries. This will save you. Now listen, if you enjoyed my content, please don't forget, hit that like button. That's what helps the channel the most. Or hit the subscribe button so that you guys will be aware whenever I put out new content and more DIY projects around the house. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next video.